and today I'm back in another video, and today I'm going to be touring my house in Bloxburg. So let's go on to the video. Yeah, so we're just gonna spawn the house right now, and let's see, in 3, 2, 1. Look, and it's an amazing house, see? But ooh, here's the basement. You guys probably knew because I'm not that good of a prankster. I'm so lame. So this is the living room, and here's where you watch TV. There's a guitar. There's a picture, home sweet home. There's a trash can, of course. So yeah, there's a piano right over here, and here is my bedroom. So here's my bed, here's everything that you need in a bedroom, and yeah, here's my computer that plays Roblox on. Here's my closet, yeah, and here's my bathroom. Oh, I really needed to go here. Don't see me. It says inappropriate. Not really, because this is Bloxburg. This is just a game. It's not inappropriate if any of you has decided to do it. Okay, let's just sleep and make my bed. Yep, here you go. Oh my god, look. Oh wow. Okay, so there it is. There's my bathroom. It's pretty cozy and nice. So yeah, let's go on to the kitchen, the last thing here. So the kitchen was the first thing I did. I'm pretty proud with it because, like, I love the colors, I love everything, and I'm really happy with it. So this is the best room in the house. So yeah, I think it is, in my opinion it is. So I hope you guys enjoy this house tour. I'm sorry it was very small and wasn't long, but I really worked hard on this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications bell if you want to, so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!